In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a signing area in Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in and make your document signing as efficient as possible. The journey begins by heading over to Docusign's website. If you haven't already, log into your account to access the full suite of features that Docusign offers. For those unfamiliar, Docusign is a leading platform that allows you to send, sign, and manage documents securely. Once you're on Docusign's dashboard, navigate over to the Agreements section. This is where you manage all your current contracts and agreements, and it's where we'll be working from today. If you've already got an agreement in mind that needs a signing area set, this is the place to find it. In today's demonstration, I'll be creating a new agreement to walk you through the process. Click on the option to start a new document. You'll be greeted with a screen where you can upload your document and add recipients. Make sure to enter the necessary details for the parties involved. After you've set this up, hit the Next button to take us to the Editing tab where the magic happens. Now that we're inside the Editing tab, you'll see your document ready for customization. The beauty of this interface is the ease with which you can edit and prepare your documents for signing. Over on the left-hand side, there's a toolbox equipped with various options, including a signature field. To add a signing area, simply click and drag the signature field onto your document. Position it exactly where you want the signature to appear. Take a moment to adjust its size and placement if needed. It's worth getting it just right. After setting the signing area, your document is nearly ready for distribution. The final step is deciding whether to save the document for later or send it directly to your recipient. If you're ready to move forward, you can hit Send, and your document will be on its way to a timely signature. And there you have it. You've successfully set a signing area in Docusign. With this skill under your belt, you'll find managing agreements a breeze, ensuring you're always on top of your document game. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Happy